So continuing on our Pixel 3 coverage, we got to talk about these cameras. Pixel 2 was pretty much one of, or if not the crown jewel of 2017 and most of 2018. So now the Pixel 3 is out, we're going to see if the cameras got even better. On paper, the specs seem to remain the same with a f1.8 aperture and 12.2 megapixel sensor, but beefed up what they're doing on AI machine learning image processing side to create better images for the most part. So the images still retain to a cooler side of temperature in regards to colors and stuff, rather than being true to life. Dynamic range is still amazing. You still got lots of details present. You know, if you're just pointing and shooting without focusing, tapping the focus or adjusting the light and stuff, you're gonna get a great photo. They've done a good job with the AI and different things, and continue to do so this time around with Pixel 3. So on the front, we got not one but two cameras on board, with a standard lens and then a wide angle one. So the standard selfie lens is good as the shooters on the rear. The wide angle is good. It can be great in certain situations, but some might not like the distortion that comes with it. So the video quality is fine. I just wish that they put some of that amazing HDR and software tricks into the video side. Maxes out at 4K at 30 frames per second, which is fine. Everybody else is doing 4K at 60 frames per second. So maybe next year we can see some of that, go into the video. So until then, I would still recommend the Apple or a Galaxy device as far as a top shooter for video. So you got Top Shot, which uses their machine learning to pick the best photo out of a bunch of photos. So super red zoom. So you actually don't have to do anything with this. So what this does is do a good job of capturing the data when you're just taking a picture regularly. When you go pinch the zoom, it's like enhanced. So you pinch the zoom and the quality is still pretty good. Motion autofocus. When you long press, tap the focus what you normally do, just focus on that one thing. It'll hold it. Whatever you tapped on, it'll hold it and it'll follow it in regards to the focus. Photo booth is a cute way to capture group selfies with smiles instead of hitting the shutter button. Google did add a software-based RAW option to save photos with a lot more information and data than your regular JPEG than you normally get. Night Sight isn't out yet at the time of this review, of writing it, but we did do a preview. We did test the preview version of it, and it is kind of amazing. So with the Pixel 3, they do a good job in retaining that crown. At the end of the day, it all comes down to preference, but I'm loving the photos that comes out of the Pixel 3. Make sure you check out the rest of our Pixel 3 coverage. Even though we're late, we still got a couple things to talk about. Thanks for watching. Could have been anywhere in the world, but you're here with us, and see you in the next video. Peace.